Hello man, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, may I know your introduction please?
My name is Gopal Khatiwada.
Mm-hmm.
I am 26 years old.
Okay,
Uh, I am from Nepal, SLC pass.
mm-hmm.
I have 5 members in my family.
Okay. Your education qualification SLC pass, right?
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me about your work experience?
Yes, of course.
Mm-hmm.
I working 3 years in Malaysia,
Mm-hmm.
warehouse.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What kind of duties did you do there as a warehouse helper in Malaysia?
Uh, Parts checking,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
loading, unloading.
Mm-hmm.
Then, yeah, that's all.
Okay. Why do you want to go to Romania?
I want to go there for money.
Money.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
so
Okay. Who will take care of your family when you go to Romania?
my brothers,
Your brother.
yes,
You are married, right?
yes,
Uh-huh. You have kids or not?
don't have,
Mm. Okay. Do you have anyone, relative or friends in Romania?
don't have.
Okay. Do you take the vaccine of COVID?
Yes,
Which one?
Johnson.
Johnson. Okay. Do you know the terms and condition? How much your salary?
Yes, I know.
You know.
Yeah,
Do you know the weather condition of Romania?
yeah, I know.
Okay. Best of luck.
Thank you so much.